comfortable, but it is. I lost something already. Hope I don't lose that water bottle either. We'll see. I need more rock straps. Do I need a Red Bull? Nah. No, I will survive without a Red Bull. Quite the setup on the back of that thing. I didn't bring sunscreen. I got bug spray. I was expecting bugs. I forget that we have sun sometimes. Kind of tempted by the V-Strom 800. Let's see how that compares to the Transalp. I think it's what I find a little bit different between riding on the bike and driving with the car. When you're driving with the car, you just want it to be over. Like you're done. Before you even start it, you're like, yeah, I just want to get to destination. On the bike, you can enjoy it a little bit more, right? Here I'm surrounded in traffic, but still. It's nice out here. Probably heavier than his bike really wants to be right now. But it's nice. I don't mind. Like, you don't have to be doing Mach 9 to have fun on the corners, right? And we're in the gravel. Like I mentioned before, I'm not great off-road at all, to be honest. Yeah, bag's just completely pushed into where I want to be. This is fun, man. Ooh, slippy. I know this is like, to everybody else, it's like, oh, it's a groomed gravel road, but to me, this is like the third time having a motorcycle off the pavement. I've never ridden dirt bikes. So to me, this is just like, I'm having the time of my life. I'm having an adventure, man. This is great. Alright, I'm going to pull over for a sec because my luggage is just pushed right up into me. You know what I forgot? My booster. This is all whacked. Yeah. Let's take a second here to fix it before I lose it. Sweet. Let's keep going. Move this up a little bit because I'm rubbing into it. Okay, well, it's less comfortable, but I'm planning standing for the rest of this. And then I will rearrange everything later. Gross. Too much dust. There we go. No more dust. Oh, that cool breeze. It's so nice in here. I'm loving this. This is great. This bike feels really good on this stuff. This is nothing wrong with this Versys, man. Like, obviously this is just a groomed forest road, but just, I forget that I live an hour away from this. You know what I love about this? Is I can come up here on the bike that I commute to every day for work quite comfortably. And then on the weekend I can just be like, yeah, let's go fishing. Let's go camping. Let's take my comfortable, reliable, cheap daily rider and take it into the woods. Again, I know it's just a gravel road, but I think this is so cool. I love this. Oh, lug the shit out of it in third. We got it. I think this thing lacks its torque. Please not to fall off right there. That was great. I only lost my sunglasses, so that was good.
Really wasn't a bad setup, all things considered. Did actually manage to catch a rainbow trout while we were out there too.
Does it work?
Yes.
The cheating? Yes.
All right. Well, that was a fun weekend. It was good.
Had a really good first weekend out with the bike, and I'm looking forward to doing more camping trips in the future. I have a lot to work on, a lot to learn, but I think we'll get there. What is your piece of must-have camping gear? And until next time, I'll see you later. Thanks for hanging out.